Okay, how do we explain the reduction to the people? Ba't po natin
Number
binaba?
one, ito po, Mr. Chair, nandito na tayo sa makatotohanan. Ano? This is the realistic uh, number, no? Na hindi rin naman madaling makuha, honestly, no? Pagka hindi natin ginandaan yung programa natin, kahit itong 300,000, hindi natin ito ma-achieve. So, ito talaga, to answer you, ito lang talaga yung kaya 300. Whether we like it or not, we have to be transparent about this, na hindi na namin tatamaan yung previously target na 6 million.
And the main reason na hindi po na-achieve yung target,
Kahit buhusan natin ng pera yan, in reality, hindi po natin magagawa yan kasi wala naman tayong kapasidad, yung mga developers, contractors, and others na suportahan yung 6 million units in 6 years. Kaya hindi po talaga realistic yung 6 million na target na yan. Kaya hindi na ho namin pinapaikot-ikot pa yung paliwanag. Kaya hindi namin tinamaan yung 6 million kasi hindi ho talaga realistic. Ang realistic lang po namin nakikita ngayon, considering yung capacity ng mga contractors, developers, and yung demand side natin is only 300,000 comprised of all the modalities of the expanded 4PH.